What's up? We're back. We got my boy Tommy. English is what you go by, right? English?
Yeah, that's right.
Mr. English here. He is a Midwest shredder and also played in a band called Spinning. I did their whole full length and produced it. I worked on Ivy Pacific, your own
new
solo
EP.
project.
That's right.
Yeah, and you're a killer producer too. Even though your main thing, I guess, is kind of like tour content and photos and video.
Totally. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of video stuff.
But you are the best Midwest style shredder that I know.
Hell yeah, thank you.
So I'm like, we have to do a video together. So we have nothing ready to go or anything. So we're just gonna see what we can make and frickin' do it.
Let's do it.
I have this one plugin that has a cat on it, so I always use it. But it's just like, it has like YouTube MP3 sounds. And kind of like it breaking up. I just got this other plugin called Portal. That's sort of like that other plugin Thermal I use all the time, like just a multi-effects thing. But this is more like reverb and reverse bass stuff. Whoa. Can we do like a little twinkly guy? Paramore is and then the last chord. This is how the sausage is made. Dude, second half was really good feeling too. I'm hearing like a crazy fucking sub bass, like a, like holding down the root note. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I think we should record a little like live drums of just the overheads and we'll crush them.
Yeah.
If it was like bop, 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 bop. I love that fill in the intro. Let me check it out. I like the technique. You were like fucking playing different than how you usually do.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just because it's like smaller.
Totally. Really hitting like the middle of the hi-hat too.
Yeah, I saw that. That's how you know you're a pro, is because you think about stuff like that. It's not just like getting the right take. You're thinking about like, how is this take going to sound in the mix of everything, right?
Totally.
Because it kind of is like an off-brand thing. It's not like we're just slamming like normal rock drums. It's like a little bit more off-brand.
100%.
Okay, I got one.
Yeah, you got it.
So there we go. All I gotta do is loop it. It should work. Yeah, that's definitely it. It just needs to be a different distortion on it, I think. So let's see what else we got.
Nice.
Yep. Cool. Just gonna add in another kick and snare. You know what? I'll use my own samples here. That way it's blending in with the real kick and snare, not like more fake stuff on top of fake stuff. That's like Silverstein, I think.
Oh,
but I do love that. Dun-dun-dun-dun on my own. So the lyrics I had working this morning was like, I remember a while ago when I first had like any anxiety or depression or anything, I was like super self-aware about it. And I was like, I need to just fix this. What can I do to fix this? And like movement helps reset your nervous system. So what I would do is I would walk like 3 miles every day and listen to Have Heart like on repeat, basically.
Hell yeah.
And to me, it was like funny because Have Heart was like such a like angry thing, but it like reset me when I was walking and I got fit again and I was able to like not control it, but like whenever I did that, I had like almost a reset point. But so I had a lyric that was like, listen to Have Heart on repeat, 10,000 steps in too deep. My nervous system needs some rest. Panic jump right out my chest. But then I also have stuff that you will relate to, like buy a van, move to the woods. I just wish someone understood. Like shit like that is kind of cool, like the escape side of it.
Yeah.
Because I know you like lived in your car, right, for a little bit?
I lived in my car. I also lived in the woods for a while. Like, yeah.
You are the guy for this
Santa
song.
Cruz Mountains. Yeah, I'm here for it.
You are the guy.
Buy a van, move to the woods. I wish somebody
notice.
I wonder if we should buy a van, move to the woods, keep that for the next line, and then the first line can kind of paint a picture of the woods or something.
Right. You're saying like this is like the second half of it?
Yeah.
Cool. Wait till nobody's around. Throw myself off of
this cloud.
Off of a cloud. Yeah. Off of this cloud.
Yeah.
Wait till nobody's around. Throw myself right off this cloud. When I splat, will it be silent?
When I shart, will it be silent? My vision's dull, I'm losing vibrance.
I'm losing vibrance is so good, dude.
Yeah.
I'm worn out, I'm losing vibrance. And then maybe I'll affect this guy so that it's like more hyper poppy.
I'm worn out.
I'm losing vibrance. Let's see if there's any like tag, like harmonies, just little guys on here. Throw myself right off this cloud. Every silence. I bet my friends would never. I'm not crazy about those two lines. I think we can beat it. I like the van to the woods line though. I just want to say it like buy a van, move to the woods so that nobody is around, but I need to make it rhyme.
Yeah.
Buy a van, move to the mountains where nobody hears me shouting. I mean, that's pretty straight up. I want to see if there's like a really intense one that's not as serial killery, you know?
Yeah. Body's missing, no one found him.
Yeah.
Like wished for it, but couldn't find the fountain. Like you put like a coin in the fountain to wish for something.
That's cool. Throw every penny in the fountain.
Force happiness or try to fake it.
Dude, that's so good. I'm just gonna say it. I'm scared to be medicated.
I'm not happy and I won't fake it.
I'm not happy, I'm not gonna fake it. Let me throw a little couple vocals here. Buy a van, move to every penny. I'm scared to be medicated. Let's see if we can write a new guitar part for the pre.
I could imagine something like in like a open tuning, some like fucking kind of tapping part.
Do it. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not gonna fake it. Okay, I just want to figure out the ending of that. Whoa! Beginning was really sick though. Are there any harmonics or ringing notes you can end it with?
Oh.
And then maybe I'll do like a chop on this one. Because it's like so chopped together, I think it does need to be a little bit fucked up. Just like a tape machine. Oh, dude, this is cool. I like hitting the dice and then just seeing what happens. Terrible. That's cool. And then just blend it in. Dude, so good. Let's do the other side. Perfect. And then you should do the like a ringing guy, like a noisy.
Oh, like octave?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe
Okay.
not gonna fake it. I'm not happy, I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not gonna fake it. It's like I just want something to turn it into a synth. This has synth stuff in it. I'm pretty sure. I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not gonna fake it. Oh, I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not gonna fake it. Okay, now we need to write the best chorus in the entire universe.
Yes. Here we go.
Fake it. Oh yeah. Take my brain, cut it away and find a better use of space. All this pain is normal, say to me. It's such a fucking shame. But now they take my brain, cut something like that.
Yeah.
Let's get that first half in there. Take my brain, cut it away, and find a better use of space. All this pain is normal, say to me. It's such a fucking shame. It just needs a harmony on that, and that'll be sick. Take my brain, cut it away, and find a better use of space. All this pain is normal, say to me. It's such a fucking shame. Take my brain, take my brain. Take my brain, take my brain. Away, away, so far away. Maybe that. Away, away, so far away. Take my brain, take my brain. Away, away, so far away. Take my brain. I think if you're gonna do that, match what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Because what if it went like a heartbeat, like gung, gung. Oh yeah. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe just octaves again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we can have. Take my brain, take my brain. Take my brain, take my brain. I think you should track drums on that, to be honest.
Okay.
And you should go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait till nobody's around. Throw myself right off this cloud. When I splat, will there be silence? I want you to lose me, my friends. Buy a van, move to the mountain. Throw every penny in the fountain. I'm scared to be medicated. I'm not happy, I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not gonna fake it. No, I'm not gonna fake it. Fake it, oh yeah. Take my brain, cut it away, and find a better use of space. All this pain is normal, say to me. It's such a fucking shame. Take my brain, away, away, so far away. Take my brain, and find a better use of space.